Hello. The Bulls are firmly in charge once again of gas and power prices. However, oil prices have seen some easing this week. So let's have a look in some more detail. The start of the week saw oil prices soften as market participants were concerned about demand's recovery amid a reduction in Chinese factory output. Front-month Brent fell $2.6 per barrel day on day. Prices continued to weaken on Tuesday and a further $1.87 was shed from the Brent contract. Reports of increased Delta variant infections in the US and China has dampened demand recovery. While not as noticeable as Monday and Tuesday, prices fell once again on Wednesday. The weekly EIA report showed an increase in stocks of 3.6 million barrels compared to the previous week, another sign of reduced demand. Thursday's session continued the downward direction of the week, and last night front-month Brent closed at $70.97 per barrel, down $5.32 compared to last week, which is a 7% drop. Gas prices were bullish on Monday, supported by low LNG deliveries, low stock levels and an overall tight supply-demand outlook. Prices were further supported as Gazprom failed to book any capacity via the Ukraine and Poland for Q4. And whilst this didn't come as a surprise, given their ambition to complete on the Nord Stream 2 project, the supply outlook for the coming winter remains tight. Most of Monday's gains were reversed on Tuesday, despite no significant change in stocks for the winter. Prices were pressured lower as the system began the day oversupplied, largely due to an increase in wind generation, which reduced the demand for CCGT. The downward movement, though, was short-lived, and Wednesday's session was another bullish one. The system was tight, low LNG volumes as well as low storage levels being seen throughout Europe, all pressured prices higher. Despite prices trading lower throughout most of Thursday's session, all contracts actually rallied at their close. And last night, all curve contracts closed higher than last Friday. Contracts out to winter 23 all rose around 4.5 pence per therm. UK power prices took their direction from gas and all contracts rose on Monday. As wind generation increased, albeit still below the seasonal average, power prices eased on Tuesday. But the downward momentum was limited on Wednesday, with gas providing support. Thursday's session was another of rising prices, and all contracts closed last night higher than last Friday. The biggest mover of the week was Summer 22, which rose by 7.4%. You can download the full version of this report from our website. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next week.